Hello, and welcome to Wumble's Hive, and happy Christmas! Not quite, but it is the Christmas season, and here we are with the wonderful Archie's Paints Advent Calendar. Here they are again, if you're interested in purchasing anything from Kaylee and Archie. I will, as usual, stick their link down below. Keep an eye out for that. So, we have day 1 to 12 and our wonderful little countdown to Christmas bauble strings. So all we need now is a paintbrush. And I have many, so let's pick an appropriate one. In fact, let's crack out our Daily Rowney Aquafine Round. Beautiful brush. Brand spanking new. So let's break it in on this occasion with these gorgeous paints. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Super cute little Archie sticker as usual. So let's see if we can peel it carefully. Keep the paint safe as we go along. It's ripping. Don't rip. Don't be mean. There we go. Right, so I believe, yes I did, I ordered individual dots. Woohoo! There they all go. So we need to find number 1. Oh, there it is. So let's slide all these ones back in the bag, safe, ready for the other days. Has anybody else got any advent calendars like this? I found Archie's quite some time ago, and they are just so gorgeous paints that I just keep going back to them. So here we are, beautiful shiny pink number 1. Ah, lovely Christmas washi on the back. Kaylee does things so pretty. So let's just get in here. So, according to our little, what's it called? Swatch card. This one's called Poinsettia. So I'm going to guess that it's some kind of red, because poinsettia plants are red, but they do also have beautiful green leaves. So let's have a see what we're getting. Oh my goodness, look how lovely and lush and bright that is. It looks like it's got glitter in it. So, I love this little cute paw print that's on it this year. That's so sweet. Right, let's get this wet. I'm going to give it a fair bit of water, make sure that it's fully activated, because these things are quite easy to get all over excited about, not put the effort in, and then you miss out. And I think that's what I did the first year. I didn't get quite the effect that it deserved. That's me getting some water to dab my brush. Some water to dab my brush. It's not, it's me getting some paper to dab my brush on. See, just to prove it. Oh, I can see gold shimmery glittery glitters in it. Oh, there's gold and blue and all sorts. Right, let's use this. Oh, exciting. Are you all as excited as me? Probably not, but let's give this a go. Oh, wow. Oh, it's got so many little shimmery, glittery beautifulness in it. Oh, so pretty. Looks like there's gold and blue glitter in there. Absolutely stunning. ladies and gents, is day number 1 of the countdown to Christmas. I don't know how well it's going to show up whilst it's wet, but I will give you a close-up tomorrow as well. Not quite seeing the glitter as well as you could, but I'm sure it'll show beautifully tomorrow once it's fully dry. But the colour itself, stunning. It is very much poinsettia colour, so thank you very much, Archie's Paints. Merry Christmas, everybody out there. Let me know what you think of this colour. And we'll see you tomorrow to find out what is for day number 2. Off you go now. Find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.